iKarny, back with another video, man. And today at iKarny's garage, man, I have an interesting video for you guys. So someone just finished installing train horns on my truck, and you know, he was supposed to be kind of done by the afternoon-ish. So I was expecting to go back over there and get some cinematics for you guys on his truck, kind of get a couple clips in for you guys on his truck, but it ended up taking longer than usual. So I planned with him to come pick me up at my house, and today I'll be showing you guys what it feels like to ride in a 10-inch lift. Now listen, man, if you're kind of like me, I know you've been curious of, you know, certain builds, certain lifts, 10-inch, maybe 11-inch, 9-inch, you know. Some people usually go like 8-inch lift, 10-inch lift, 12-inch lift. I've never really heard of too many 11 inches, 9 inches, you know, odd numbers like that. So even though this is an even number, 10-inch lift, obviously some people have been in it. But if you're like me, you're kind of curious to know what it's like to ride in a 10-inch lift. So today I'm having him come pick me up. He just finished, he just called me, he just got done installing my train horns. I'm gonna have him come pick me up, and I'm gonna give you guys kind of a little view of what it feels like to ride in a 10-inch lift. Now, I'm kind of working on a new build soon. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet. I'm not really sure what my new build will be, but this could be a possibility that I can run the same setup. So let's hop in his truck. He's coming to pick me up, and you guys are gonna kind of see what it's like to kind of ride in a 10-inch lift. Pros and cons, man. Let's get into it. Clean, bro. Bro, this shit sounds so clean, bro. We're like 10 inches up right now. I'm not gonna lie, it's not too much of a difference from 6, but like you feel like you're up there. Like, you definitely feel like you're up there, bro. You definitely feel like you're up there. Okay, so this is, all right, guys, so I thought it was 10, so this is 10 and a half.
9.5.
Oh, 9 and a half.
Yeah.
Okay.
8-inch kit with the 1.5 inch puck up front. And then
okay.
The rear's a leaf pack and a factory block.
Okay.
So, yeah. 8 in the rear, 9.5 in the front.
How would you say, like, the ride quality out of 10? 1 out of 10?
With these wheels and tires, 26 16s and 35 Venoms, like a -5.
Ah, for real?
Yeah, these wheels and tires ride like terrible.
So when you go like that high, you should definitely invest in like King shots and stuff like that, right?
Yeah.
Like good kits.
Difference, and then definitely getting some 37 Furies.
Okay.
So these wheels and tires are for sale. I'm going smaller.
Right.
Come buy these wheels.
This video is sponsored by iKarny Makes It, man. We got one of the best trucker hats in the market right now. All the influencers are wearing it. Go get yours, man. Trucker hats, shirts, and etc, man. Link in bio. www.ikarny.com, man.
Generation Z and 21 like me, I'm going hard. But it's like the God if they'll remember me.
Really are hard.
Tough, huh?
Damn. And the quality of them too is not no like flimsy. It's like real deal fucking pressure.
Yes, sir.
A medium?
I think medium will fit perfect.
Yeah, I think so too.
Especially because it's oversized. Yeah. Ooh, how you feeling? How you feeling?
Damn.
How you feeling? Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Let me throw on the shade.
Yeah.
Throw on the shade.
I'm telling you, yeah.
Get the whole set when you come shop over here. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Tough.
What you think?
Tough,
my boy.
Tough.
You say to my nigga.
Tough.
You know what
Tough,
I mean?
my boy.
Yes, sir. Nah.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. It smells so good, the interior.
Right? It's like leather. It's like German leather, my boy. You know what I mean?
Okay,
You
man.
got the shades on, my boy.
Yeah.
Next on iKarny's garage.